Hi guys, welcome to Igbo with Queen TV. In this channel, we teach Igbo language. In this channel, we help beginners learn how to speak Igbo. In case you're new in this channel and this is your first time watching me in this channel, sit and watch. We help beginners learn how to speak Igbo fast. Okay, we're teaching parts of the body, the song of parts of the body. We are not going to be just like learning it, but we are going to be singing the song. Just sit and watch. Parts of the body are head, isi, eyes, anya, nose, imi, mouth, ọnụ, teeth, eze, tongue, ire, lips, ugbere ọnụ, lips, ugbere ọnụ, hand, aka, fingers, mkpịsị aka, elbow, igbere aka, elbow, igbere aka, shoulder, nku. Your shoulder is nku. Shoulder, nku. Stomach, afọ, breast, ara, chest, obi, back, azụ, buttocks, ike, leg, ụkwụ, toes, mkpịsị ụkwụ, toes, mkpịsị ụkwụ, knee, ikpere. So guys, that's what we have in this video. If you like and enjoy this video, please do not forget to give me a thumbs up and don't forget to just subscribe. Subscribe for your girl. Subscribe, please subscribe. Share to your family and share to your friends so that anytime I upload a new video, you always be the first to see it. Do not forget to be coming to this channel to have fun, learn and have fun. That's what we do in this video. We learn Igbo language and we have fun also. See you guys in my next video. Bye.